this video, I'll show you how you can fix the EA app is not opening or launching. Now what you want to do is you want to just find your EA file, you want to go to properties, compatibility, and activate these two. Press apply and OK, and then try and launch it. If it's still not working after this, what you can do is you can search for run, type in percentage, local app data percentage, press OK, and in here you should have two EA folders. Now one called EA Desktop and one called Electronic Arts. You want to just select both of these and you want to delete them, and right click on your recycle bin and empty it after you've deleted them. Don't worry, it's going to regenerate itself after we delete it, so just do that. After that, you want to come here and search for date and time settings. Make sure you set it to automatically, and then it should hopefully work. Now if none of these work, what you can do is you can uninstall it and then reinstall it, and then hopefully it should work after that. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.